In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear your history in Chrome YouTube quickly and easily. If you've been watching a lot of videos and want to clean up your watch history, or just keep your recommendations more private, this simple tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open YouTube in Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by typing YouTube into the address bar and pressing enter, or by going directly to youtube.com. Once YouTube loads, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon, which is the three horizontal lines, also called the hamburger menu. This opens the main navigation panel. From that menu, click on History. This will take you to your YouTube Watch History page, where you can see the videos you've watched recently and manage your viewing activity. On the right side of the page, you'll see an option that says Clear All Watch History. Click that option to remove everything from your YouTube watch history. A confirmation prompt may appear, so go ahead and confirm if prompted. Once you do that, your YouTube watch history will be deleted. That means YouTube will stop using that old viewing activity to shape your recommendations, at least until you start watching new videos again. If you ever want to keep your history cleaner in the future, you can also come back to this same history page anytime and clear it again whenever needed. And that's it. You've now cleared your YouTube watch history in Chrome. Quick, simple, and done in just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.